Good morning class 10th. So now we start the exercise 1.4. 1.4 first question is without actual performing the long division. State whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating decimal repeating decimal expansion. So first part is that 13 upon 3125. Terminating means when you will divide this number, it will stop. Okay, and non-terminating means it will never stop going on up to many times, infinite times. So this we have to tell without dividing it. So how we can tell? Now first part I will do and show to you all that so no formula was there for this. First 13 upon 3125. So whatever the number are in the denominator, take this number and factorize it. Okay, 3125 was there, that 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, then 5 and 5 are coming 5 times, that 3 1 2 5 5 in power 5. So we can write that 13 upon 5 power 5. Now listen, whatever the coming in that denominator factors, if 2 or 5 will come, that number is terminating. 2 or 5 maybe both can come, 2 or 5, that number will be terminating. Other than this, if any number came, that number is non-terminating. If the factors contain 2 or 5, then the number is terminating. Clear this one? See that second part, 17 upon 8. Now 17 upon 8 is that 17 8 we all know 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. So same, if the factors contain 2 or 5, then the number is terminating. This is also what? Terminating. Now third part. Third is 64 upon 455. So now factorize 455 by the table of 5, 7. Now see that 7 and 13 was there. So number was, write simply non-terminating. That 5 into 7 into 13, right here, non-terminating. Simply you can write. It contains factors other than 2 or 5. So it is non-terminating. Is it clear to all? One more thing, one more I will do. Fourth one you can do by your own. I think this will also terminating. Fifth one part, simply you can see 3 4 3. It will come in the table of 7 only. 7 or 7. So it is non-terminating. Next one, if you see, the factors are already in the form of 2 and 5 only. So it is simply terminating. Here if you see 2, 5 and 7 was there. So non-terminating. Now 8th part. 8th part if you see, that 6 upon 15. If you do the factorize like 5 and 3, so answer is coming non-terminating, 15. But your answer was wrong. This number is terminating. First we have to check the number it is cutting or not. So we can cut. So we have to cut. 2 upon 5. Now only 5 was there. If the factors contain 2 or 5, then the number is terminating. So answer is terminating. Last one, 50. I think 5 and 2 only. 9th also terminating, and check the 10th one also. So this is your first question. Now we move to the second one. Second one is write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question number 1 which have terminating decimal expansion. Means now I have to tell the answer also. When you will divide these numbers, then what is the answer, but without actual division. Okay. So now first part is which one? First part I will see 13/3125. First part is 13/3125. If you remember what the answer of this one coming, I think 5 power 5. Now what we have to do? Listen carefully. What we have to do? Here we have to make the same multiply. Like 5 power is there, so we have to multiply by 2. If 2 was there, then we have to multiply by 5. So 5 was there, we have to multiply by 2. So 2 power, same power we have to multiply. 2 power 5, 2 power 5, up and down both. So 13 into 2 power 5 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And what we can write this? 5 into 2 power 10, 5, sorry. Now this we have to do the multiply. When you will do multiply, answer will come 416. Okay. So here we can write 10 power 5 means 416, 5 zeros are there. So if you divide directly, 1, 2, 3 places, 2 more are there, 0.00416 will be the answer. Without dividing, I will do this calculation. No division was there. Same now second part, 17/8. Now 2 power 3, so we have to multiply 5 power 3. 17 into 125, here 2 into 5 power 3. Now do 17 into 125, 9375. When you will multiply 9375 and 5 to the 10 power 3. So 9375. Two one two five. Sorry, multiply was wrong. That 2125. So decimal will come 3 decimal 2.125. It will be the answer. Third one is the non-terminating. No need to the find. Fourth one, you can try by your own. Fourth one, same only. Okay. And fifth one again, that non-terminating. Sixth I will do. Sixth one is the nice question. Sixth one. Sixth one, 23 upon 2 power 3, 5 power 2. Now see that 2 power 3 was there. We have to make the same power. Okay, 5 was there. So 5 only we have to multiply up and down. So 23 into 5, that 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10, 115. Now it will be same power, 2 power 3, 5 power 3. So 115, the 2 5s are 10 power 3. So 115 divided by, now 0.115 will be the answer. A very easy question was there. And eighth one, 6 upon 15. So 3 2s are, and we all know 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. Okay. So multiply up and out by 2. 1 power only. So 4, 5 2s are 10. Answer is what? 0.4. Similarly 9th and 10th you will see. Do by your own. Now second question finished. Third one. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and the form of P upon Q, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? What can you say? So write the answer, I will tell to you in your notebook. Since the number has a terminating decimal expansion, if you see that the number is stopping 43.123456789, it will stop. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. It is a rational number in the form of P upon Q, where Q is of the form of 2 upon 2 power m and 5 power n. Because if terminating in the decimal expansion means Q in the term of 2 power m and 5 power n. The prime factor of Q will be either 2 or 5 or both. Main answer is, means the value of Q was here, maybe 2 or 5 or both, because this is the rational number, that's why. Second one, if you see that 0.1201200, it is non-terminating, okay, and non-repeating also. So this is an irrational number. Third one, second part was a irrational number. Third part again same, 43, it is repeating. If the number is repeating, same number is repeating, so this is the rational number. So same thing you have to write whatever written is in the first part. Same thing, third one. We can represent in the form of P upon Q, the factors having the factor Q 2 or 4, 2 or 5 both. So now our first chapter was completed, and next class I will take as a live class for discussing your doubts, if any doubt was there. Then after we start chapter number 7. So now thank you all of you.